there, so maybe the umbrella versus the coat. I don't like sweating with the coat on, at least not me. But you'll notice here some rain coming at 8, 9, 10 o'clock, especially to the west. We have the eastern band moving out of Connecticut, that western band now moving into Connecticut with some spotty light stuff throughout the afternoon, mid to upper 70s. So not the warmest days, but just very sticky, a breezy southeast wind as well. We may dry things out, like I said, late in the afternoon, early evening. But then more rain comes up from the south overnight, and it may pour in some towns, some thunder as well. The severe weather threat seems low. That's the good news, but some poor drainage flooding possible with some downpours. It may really rain early Monday morning, but the change in the forecast over the last couple of days is after a couple early morning downpours Monday, we have lots of clouds by mid-morning, though. Some partial sunshine, and temps do respond now, maybe some mid-80s inland, mid to upper 80s with enough sun. But with the system nearby, cold front coming through, a couple strong storms may form later Monday into Monday evening. Watch here on hour by hour how that line forms. Right now, the Storm Prediction Center does not have a severe risk here. It's just down over south, but we may get a strong storm here Monday evening. Then a big pattern change comes. I'll show you that in a few seconds right now, but also how much rain some towns may get dumped on when others don't see much. It's one of those situations where it's hit and miss of who gets the biggest numbers, but a decent soaking for much of the state for today into tomorrow as well. But look at this change in the pattern. 84 tomorrow, but 71. These are for highs, of course, on Tuesday, 73 Wednesday, 81 by next Friday, so warming back up, but a fall preview with lows that may be in the upper 40s in some inland towns. So 50th annual Milford Oyster Fest. I was there for Oyster Eve last night, a great crowd. So many News 8 fans. Thank you for coming up and saying hi, and the weather was nice. We had that smoky sky last night still, and we may do it again today. This morning, you can see that kind of cloud cover with that haze. It should lessen by the afternoon with some clearer skies. So here's your solar numbers. Not the best today, 6, but better than tomorrow and Monday with more clouds and a better chance at some rain as well. Here's your radar. I fixed it during the break. So some rain back to the west. A lot of this fizzles, but we may get a quick shower or sprinkle over the next couple of hours. So if you're running an event, of course, the Oyster Fest, you may get a little damp in a couple of hours, but it should dry out by the afternoon. Your smoke forecast looks like this. Some areas of smoke through about lunchtime, but it should lift to the north. So I'm not expecting too much smoke today, which is the good news, but you may see that kind of hazy sunshine. I think the clouds dim out the sun more than the smoke today. Unlike yesterday, it was completely sunny. It was just the smoke that made it look cloudy, but today it's more cloudy than sunny with the smoke not being a big issue. But here's your fresh hour-by-hour forecast in the Milford Oyster Festival, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Milford, of course, right about there. We'll see what this looks like. Lots of clouds around, temperatures in the 60s to start, so kicking off, there could be a light sprinkle. Notice in a couple towns, the clouds still winning out. 11, 12 o'clock, the bands start, I think around 12, 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 70s to near 80s. So we've had years where it was like 100 degrees, thunderstorms, nasty weather, nothing like that. It will be humid, but not super warm. Temps in the mid to upper 70s, low 80s. That's very doable, but it will feel sticky out there. Keep that in mind. There could be a spot sprinkle later this evening. Notice that, especially in western Connecticut. And then the better chance at some rain is overnight with some more widespread sprinkles and showers developing. But even that, not too bad. Tomorrow, not the pick of the weekend for this reason, of course. Some showers and downpours pop up really at any point. I think mid to late morning is the wettest part of tomorrow. We may dry out by the afternoon.
Coming back.
Exactly. I'm actually kind of quite shocked that we haven't had more cases with all the rain and humidity this summer. It's been like the rainiest and I feel like most humid summer in a while. But luckily, not too much rain to end the week or the weekend, which is the good news.
Very good.
Of course. So yeah, that's your forecast for the next couple of days. A beautiful shot here at a smoky look.